Hi class, Blake Hallman here for HOS 157, Hospitality Customer Service. I wanted to do a brief video to walk you through the process of doing a site review or secret shopper review. Let's look at our class page. Go to course content. Well, first and foremost, I think under syllabus and info, start here. We have everything you need, class schedule, and the assignments and grading policy. And of course, class schedule for week 3 says that there's a secret shopper report due. So we'll go to the assignments and grading policy to look at what we should do. Site visit / shopper report, pretty straightforward. I feel like I say that a lot, but this is a straightforward class, and I know that Blackboard is new to me, and it may be new to you as well, and this subject may be new to you. And I'm a new instructor, but I think it's pretty straightforward overall, and if it's not, reach out to me. Several of you have, and I'm happy to answer questions by phone or by email. So there are several templates that you can use to judge and review certain properties in the folder that we'll look at. Now I'm looking for you to fill out the template as well as some basic information, the name and location of the property, a copy of the receipt unless we discuss otherwise, the name of the manager on duty, and a 300-word recap of everything that you put into the report. So let's look at the, again, syllabus and information. Besides start here that we just looked at, we had the site visit secret shopper grading templates. Click on that. You'll notice there are several different options from which you can choose. And under course content, we'll go to week 3. We can see that we have learning objectives, quiz, and a site visit secret shopper report, which will refer you to the assignments and grading policy document. So again, all I'm looking for is a brief review of a property that meets one of the grading template standards. You fill in the extra information that I've asked for, the manager on duty, include a receipt, and contact me if there are any questions. It's due by Sunday, but I don't think you should have an issue with it. In addition, the online participation agreement form is due this Sunday as well, so please make sure you put that in the Dropbox. Any questions, let me know, and good luck, gang.